Question 1. Who wrote the book The Diary of a Young Girl? A. Anne Frank. B. Helen Keller. C. Marie Curie. D. Florence Nightingale. The correct answer is A. Anne Frank. Question 2. Which crop is known as a kharif crop? A. Wheat. B. Gram. C. Rice. D. Mustard. The correct answer is C. Rice. Question 3. What is the full form of GDP? A. Gross Domestic Product. B. General Development Plan. C. Gross Development Product. D. Global Domestic Product. The correct answer is A. Gross Domestic Product. Question 4. Which river is the longest in India? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Godavari. D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is B. Ganga. Question 5. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 6. Which soil is best suited for cotton cultivation? A. Alluvial soil. B. Red soil. C. Black soil. D. Laterite soil. The correct answer is C. Black soil. Question 7. In which year did India become independent? A. 1945. Born in 1946. Circa 1947. D. 1950. The correct answer is circa 1947. Question 8. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. The correct answer is C. Canberra. Question 9. Which organ of the government makes laws? A. Judiciary. B. Executive. C. Legislature. D. President. The correct answer is C. Legislature. Question 10. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is C. Quit India movement. Question 11. Which country was responsible for the unification of Germany? A. Italy. B. Prussia. C. France. D. Austria. The correct answer is B. Prussia. Question 12. Which latitude passes through the middle of India? A. Tropic of Cancer. B. Equator. C. Arctic Circle. D. Prime Meridian. The correct answer is A. Tropic of Cancer. Question 13. Which sector contributes the most to India's GDP? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. The correct answer is C. Tertiary. Question 14. What is the minimum age required to vote in India? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. D. 25 years. The correct answer is B. 18 years. Question 15. Which mineral is used for making pencils? A. Iron. B. Graphite. C. Bauxite. D. Copper. The correct answer is B. Graphite. Question 16. Who introduced the policy of apartheid? A. India. B. USA. C. South Africa. D. Australia. The correct answer is C. South Africa. Question 17. Which port is the oldest artificial port of India? A. Kandla. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is C. Chennai. Question 18. What type of government exists in India? A. Monarchy. B. Dictatorship. C. Democracy. D. Theocracy. The correct answer is C. Democracy. Question 19. Which crop is known as a plantation crop? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Tea. D. Match. The correct answer is C. Tea. Question 20. Who presides over the Lok Sabha? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Speaker. D. Vice President. The correct answer is C. Speaker. Question 21. Which country emerged as the first industrial nation? A. France. B. Germany. C. Britain. D. USA. The correct answer is C. Britain. Question 22. Which soil is formed by weathering of igneous rocks? A. Black soil. B. Red soil. C. Alluvial soil. D. Laterite soil. The correct answer is B. Red soil. Question 23. Which bank controls the monetary policy of India? A. State Bank of India. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. World Bank. D. Punjab National Bank. The correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 24. Which act gave voting rights to women in Britain? A. Reform Act. B. Representation of the People Act. C. Suffrage Act. D. Equality Act. The correct answer is B. Representation of the People Act. Question 25. Which fundamental right ensures equality before law? A. Right to freedom. B. Right to equality. C. Right to religion. D. Right to education. The correct answer is B. Right to equality. Question 26. Which river forms the largest delta in the world? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Ganga Brahmaputra. D. Yangtze. The correct answer is C. Ganga Brahmaputra. Question 27. Which organization publishes the Human Development Report? A. WHO. B. UNDP. C. IMF. D. World Bank. The correct answer is B. UNDP. Question 28. Which crop requires maximum water? A. Wheat. B. Millets. C. Rice. D. Pulses. The correct answer is C. Rice. Question 29. Which level of government looks after local issues? A. Central government. B. State government. C. Local government. D. Judiciary. The correct answer is C. Local government. Question 30. Which movement led to the formation of the Indian National Congress? A. Swadeshi movement. B. National movement. C. Freedom movement. D. Political associations. The correct answer is D. Political associations. Question 31. Who unified Italy? A. Cavour. B. Mazzini. C. Garibaldi. D. Victor Emmanuel II. The correct answer is A. Cavour. Question 32. Which factor is most important for industrial location? A. Labor. B. Capital. C. Raw material. D. Market. The correct answer is C. Raw material. Question 33. Which body resolves disputes between states in India? A. Parliament. B. Supreme Court. C. President. D. Election Commission. The correct answer is B. Supreme Court. Question 34. Which country has a single-party system? A. India. B. China. C. USA. D. UK. The correct answer is B. China. Question 35. Which mineral is called buried sunshine? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Natural gas. D. Uranium. The correct answer is A. Coal. Question 36. Which amendment introduced Panchayati Raj system? A. 42nd. B. 44th. C. 73rd. D. 86th. The correct answer is C. 73rd. Question 37. Which crop is grown in dry regions? A. Rice. B. Sugarcane. C. Jowar. D. Tea. The correct answer is C. Jowar. Question 38. Which term refers to investment made by multinational companies? A. Import. B. Export. C. Foreign investment. D. Public investment. The correct answer is C. Foreign investment. Question 39. Which movement demanded complete independence for India? A. Swadeshi movement. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Civil disobedience movement. The correct answer is C. Quit India movement. Question 40. Which institution is responsible for conducting elections in India? A. Supreme Court. B. Parliament. C. Election Commission. D. President. The correct answer is C. Election Commission. Question 41. Which type of unemployment occurs due to change of seasons? A. Structural. B. Seasonal. C. Cyclical. D. Disguised. The correct answer is B. Seasonal. Question 42. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Kosi. B. Ganga. C. Son. D. Gandak. The correct answer is A. Kosi. Question 43. Which law abolished slavery in Britain? A. Abolition Act. B. Slave Trade Act. C. Emancipation Act. D. Freedom Act. The correct answer is A. Abolition Act. Question 44. Which right is available only to citizens of India? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom. C. Right against exploitation. D. Right to vote. The correct answer is D. Right to vote. Question 45. Which dam is built on River Sutlej? A. Bhakra Nangal. B. Hirakud. C. Tehri. D. Sardar Sarovar. The correct answer is A. Bhakra Nangal. Question 46. Which sector employs the maximum people in India? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Organized. The correct answer is A. Primary. Question 47. Which concept ensures power sharing among organs of government? A. Federalism. B. Democracy. C. Separation of powers. D. Socialism. The correct answer is C. Separation of powers. Question 48. Which crop is also called golden fiber? A. Cotton. B. Jute. C. Silk. D. Wool. The correct answer is B. Jute.